Good evening, everybody. So let us start with actually today being Teachers' Day. I was occupied a lot, and happy Teachers' Day to all teachers who all are still
Good
working.
evening, ma'am. Happy Teachers' Day, ma'am.
Thank you, and same to you all. So I was invited at many places. As you all know, I'm the principal and the director both. So I got occupied at many places. So I could not turn up at on time. That's why I asked how many of you all are available. And as I got the availability of two, three people, I thought that yes, the recording is happening, so we can start with. Because probably this Monday also your class will be delayed. I will not say that we will not have class. We will have it, but it will be delayed. Probably by 6:30 we will start on Monday. Because today I being occupied at the webinar stations. Uh, I have to take an extended class on Monday. So your class will be extended. एक extended class लेनी पड़ी मुझे आज. तो मंडे को भी वो एक्सटेंड होगी. तो मंडे के दिन 6:30 से हमारा ज्वाइनिंग होगा. ये नहीं कहती कि हम क्लास नहीं लेंगे, बिकॉज फिर हमारा एंड अप नहीं होगा टाइम पे. और फिर एक ईसीसी का नया बैच बन के बैठा हुआ है, वो भी वेट कर रहा है कि मैम कब फ्री होंगे. तो मैं आप लोगों का बिल्कुल भी वो नहीं करना चाहती हूँ कि भाई हम बाद में ले लें. और आज इसलिए भी ईद की छुट्टी नहीं दिया है आपको. हालांकि टीचर्स डे की तो होती नहीं है, बट ईद की होती है. सो इसीलिए भी नहीं दिया ताकि हम इसको कवर अप कर लें. सो लाइक अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ आज हम देखेंगे लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट वॉवेल्स. ओके, दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड. लास्ट टाइम वी हैव सीन ग्रुप 4. ग्रुप 4 में मैंने आपको रूल बताया था, जहां पर दो वॉवेल्स जब एक साथ होते हैं, व्हेन टू वॉवेल्स आर टुगेदर, द फर्स्ट वॉवेल्स नेम इटसेल्फ इज द साउंड. ठीक है. जब दो वॉवेल्स एक साथ होते हैं तो पहला वॉवेल का नेम ही उसका साउंड होता है. राइट. तो वो जो पहला वॉवेल का नेम है, व्हाट इज दैट साउंड? वो जो उसका साउंड है, दैट इज द लॉन्ग वॉवेल साउंड. द नेम ऑफ द फर्स्ट वॉवेल इज द लॉन्ग वॉवेल साउंड. ओके. तो जब हम लॉन्ग वॉवेल साउंड और शॉर्ट वॉवेल साउंड करते हैं, उस चीज को हम समझ रहे हैं. अभी मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहती हूँ. आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू ऑल वन क्वेश्चन. इफ यू कुड आंसर, जस्ट लेट मी नो. कि देखिए, 26 लेटर्स होते हैं, राइट? इन एबीसीडी देयर आर 26 लेटर्स. व्हाई डू वी कॉल ए ई आई ओ यू ओनली एज अ वावल? मेरा क्वेश्चन है. There are 26 letters, and out of these 26, why do we call only A, E, I, O, U as vowels? ए ई आई ओ यू को ही हम वॉवेल क्यों बनाते हैं, क्यों बोलते हैं ए ई आई ओ? और भी तो लेटर्स है भाई, उनको वॉवेल क्यों नहीं बनाया गया? Why some another letters are not called as vowels, and why A, E, I, O, U only are vowels? Please.
Because they have two sounds, long sound and short sound, as E has two sounds, E and E for eel and E for that add.
Okay,
Is it?
according to you, the vowels, every vowels are having two sounds. So we can also say the C is also having two sounds. And K. C for cycle
Yes.
and K for K. C for cat. K.
Yes, that
So
is also a point.
yes, so it cannot be the thing.
Okay.
And what else can you all think of? Okay, now I'll say. Just try to say A, E, I, O, U. Pay attention towards my mouth. A, E, I, O, U. Are my lips touching? Now say A, E, I, O,
Alright. Oh,
U.
you.
you can feel the vibration here. But when you say s, when you say k, when you say l, you cannot feel any vibration here on the vocal cord. Vowels, vocal cord. So the sound which you are getting from your vocal cord directly and the air comes out, that is called as vowels. You try to speak e, u, a, o, ah. Your lips are not touching in swar also. Just feel a, e, u, a, o, ah. You can also feel. But when you say k, k, g, g, in gha, yes, you are feeling because gha also comes from the vocal cord. There are many swars, but when you talk about only swar, e, you are getting the sound from your vocal cord. Same with the vowels. Vowels be e ka hi sound hai, right? Vowels are also the sound of e only, right? So basically, what happens? The sound which you are getting from the vocal cord, they are vowels. Vocal vowels. ठीक है ना? जो आवाज गले से निकल रही है और एक सांस में हवा से बाहर आ रही है, कोई अवरोधन नहीं है. देर इज नो डिस्टर्बेंस वेन यू से दैट साउंड डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम योर थ्रोट. द वॉइस इज कमिंग. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज वॉवेल्स. Understood? When you say the vowels, these vowels are coming, the sound which is coming from the vocal cord. Hello? Yes, actually there was a call. Chaliye. So, yeah, we were talking about the vocal cord, right? So from the vocal cord, the sound which you are getting, that is called as vowels. जो sound आपको vocal cord से directly मिल रहा है, वो vowels होता है. Okay. Now, I am sharing one video. In that, just see what is happening. इस वीडियो में देखिए क्या हो रहा है.
Only 29 rupees. 6 days Vedic Maths Summer Camp. Don't calculate in a slow way. Enroll course at Master Top Speed Method. You can solve the questions in seconds. Attention dear parents. If your child is studying in class 1 to 10, join course now. Only 29 rupees today. Includes 50 plus maths top.
Can you see what is this? This is the lips. This is the mouth. You can see the mouth is not getting closed. यही जो अभी मैंने आप लोगों को देखने बोला था कि मेरे माउथ की तरफ देखिए. जब ये AEIOU बोल रहा है तो एक्चुअली वो क्या बोल रहा है? वो फोनिक का साउंड बोल रहे हैं, राइट? They are saying the phonic sound. The phonic sound is a, e, o, a, right? तो ये phonic sound है. Okay, I'll get back to you afterwards. Otherwise, message me. Listen to the sound. This side, they are saying a, e, o, a. But here, this side, they are saying A, E, I, O, U. So this one is the sound of short vowel. And this right hand side is the sound of long vowel. ठीक है, जो छोटा वाला है यहाँ पर वो फोनिक्स का जो साउंड हमने इतने दिनों में सीखा ना, उसमें जो ववेल के साउंड सीखे वो शॉर्ट ववेल साउंड होते हैं. ठीक है, दे आर द शॉर्ट ववेल साउंड. बट with the name of the letter which we have seen in group 4, they are the long vowel sound, which is A, E, I, O, U. Okay, now see, for the short vowel you will see a small frog, and for the long vowel you will see a long frog.
Oh, now vowels have two sounds each, but they don't sound the same. One
Vowels have the two sound each. What Savita said is that it's having two sounds. That was correct. But it was presented in a different way. Vowels are having two sounds. One is short sound and the second one is long sound. But both the sounds are different. Yes, consonant letters are also having two sounds and the vowels are also having two sounds. But their two sounds are split into some names, but the consonant sounds are not split into the names. Okay, see, A, E, I, O, U is the name of the letter and the sound as well. But when we talk about C and K, there is no sound as C. The sound is as S. The sound is as K. Right? So there are two sounds of consonants as well. But like in J we have J sound. For G we have two sounds. We have G also and we have G, we have J also, but we don't have the sound as G. मतलब जब वॉवेल का नेम ही उसका साउंड केवल वॉवेल का ही होता है, जब लेटर का नेम ही उसका साउंड केवल वॉवेल का ही होता है, कॉन्सोनेंट का नहीं होता. और उसके दो साउंड में एक साउंड शॉर्ट होगा, एक साउंड लॉन्ग होगा. राइट?
short, yeah, real short. The other one's long and says its name. So the short A says apple, and the long A says acorn. The short E says.
So the short vowel letter A says A, and the long A says A. Okay, acorn, acorn, apple. So when there is a short vowel sound, it will be the phonic sound. When there will be the long vowel sound, it will then be the sound that which is the name of the letter. That means the name of the letter itself is the sound. Okay.
Elephant, and the long E says eagle. The short I says insect, and the long I says island. Let's take a break. Here we go. Short O says ostrich, and the long O says oatmeal. The short U says umbrella, and the long U says unicorn. Vowels have two sounds each. They don't sound the same. One is short, yeah, real short. The other one's long and says its name.
So listen to the sounds. The short vowel, the frog is short. The long vowel, the frog is long. See what the short frog is giving the sound, and see what the long frog is giving the sound.
Its name.
In both, the mouth is opened and it is not touching each other, right? So this is called as the long vowel and short vowel concept. Long vowel and short vowels are very, very important because at many places the words have long vowel sound and at another places the word is having short vowel sound. हमें लॉन्ग वॉवेल और शॉर्ट वॉवेल बहुत अच्छी तरीके से पता होना चाहिए, समझ में आना चाहिए, बिकॉज लॉन्ग वॉवेल और शॉर्ट वॉवेल के बहुत सारे अलग अलग साउंड होते हैं. आगे हम बहुत से स्पेलिंग रूल्स देखेंगे जहाँ पे लॉन्ग और शॉर्ट वॉवेल के कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत ही ज्यादा हैं। अब जब बच्चों को पढ़ाना होगा, when we have to teach these sounds for the kids, to the kids, sorry, तब आप कैसे बच्चों को सिखाएंगे? तो जैसे कि मैंने आपको सॉन्ग्स और जिंगल्स और ये सारी चीजें कराई थी, ठीक है, उसी प्रकार से लॉन्ग वॉवेल और शॉर्ट वॉवेल का भी सॉन्ग होता है। According to phonics, the long vowel and short vowel also have a song. Okay, so ये है उसका song. I'll just present it. A, E, E, O, A, A, E, E, O, A are short words that we use. A vowel in every word, every word, every word. A vowel in every word that we read and write. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are long words that we use. See. सो हमने जो ऊपर साउंड देखा वो कौन से साउंड थे? शॉर्ट वॉयल साउंड, ए, ए, ई, ओ, आ, ए, ए, ई, ओ, आ, ए, ए, ई, ओ, आ। तो ये जो साउंड है ये शॉर्ट वॉयल साउंड है। तो वो सिंगल सिंगल लेटर लिखे हुए हैं, राइट? अब यहां देखिए नीचे ए आई, डबल ई, आई ई, ओ ए और यू ई, ये दोनों एक साथ लिखे हुए हैं, राइट? ये जो एक साथ लिखे हुए हैं इन्हें हम कहते हैं लॉन्ग वॉवेल्स। दीज आर कॉल्ड एज लॉन्ग वॉवेल्स। लॉन्ग वॉवेल्स में ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू साउंड आता है और ये हमेशा दो होते हैं एक साथ में। ग्रुप 4 के 4 और ग्रुप 7 में जो यू ई लास्ट में लिखा हुआ है यू का साउंड है, राइट? ए आई, आई ई, ओ ए और यू ई, दीज आर द लॉन्ग वॉवल्स। तो जैसे हर एक लेटर का साउंड है उसी प्रकार लॉन्ग वॉवेल और शॉर्ट वॉवेल का अकॉर्डिंग टू जॉलीफोनिक्स दिस इज द सॉन्ग। ओके, सो बाय प्लेइंग दिस सॉन्ग you can teach your kids long vowel and short vowels together, right? Now there is a question, when to teach long vowel and short vowel? ये एक क्वेश्चन होता है, छोटे बच्चों को लॉन्ग वॉवेल शॉर्ट वॉवेल कब सिखाना है? So UKG class is the correct time to teach them long vowel and short vowel, and this song as well. You have to introduce them at the UKG class, and if it is not done, you can introduce in class 1 as well. ओके, तभी बच्चों को लॉन्ग वॉवेल शॉर्ट वॉवेल का साउंड पहले क्लियर होना चाहिए। इसीलिए हमने आपको पूरे 42 साउंड्स कराने के बाद सीधा लॉन्ग वॉवेल और शॉर्ट वॉवेल कराया, right? After that, we will be doing magic E rule, which is also dependent on long vowel and short vowel. Then we will understand hard and soft sounds. And then our level 1 will be completed. तो हमें अब ये long vowel, short vowel के साथ में we will see magic E, ठीक है? मैजिक ई इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रूल। फिर इसके बाद आ जाएगा हमारा हार्ड एंड सॉफ्ट कॉन्सेप्ट, ठीक है? हार्ड साउंड एंड सॉफ्ट साउंड। So when we talk about hard and soft sound, these hard and soft sound will be taught to you on Tuesday और Monday. फिर उसके बाद हमारा लेवल 1 जो है फोनिक्स का वो कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, राइट? वी लिसन टू दिस सॉन्ग अगेन। Listen.
Every word, every
Good evening, sir.
about is in every word that we read
Yeah. A, E, I, O, A. A, E, I, O, A. Then see. A, E, I, O, A. Short ones that we use. Now actions. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. So A, yes, good. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U, U. Right? This way will be the actions. Right? So this way you can do the actions with the song to the kids. इस तरीके से आप actions बताते हुए कर सकते हो. Right? So these are the story, songs and actions for the walls, long vowel and short vowel. Okay, now I'll be
Clients often ask us for color options. With built-in generative AI features, five vowels, A, E, I, O, U.
so for showing to the kids, you can teach them this way also. कैसे बच्चों को सिखाएंगे? This is the method you can teach your kids.
Long and short, long and short. A, E, I, O, U. Short A, short A. Ah, ah, ah. Apple, apple. Ah, ah, ah. Long A, long A. A, A, A. Apron, apron. A, A, A. Short E, short E. F, F, F. Egg, egg. F, F, F. Long
Why she showing here like this? ऐसा क्यों दिखा रहे हैं? ध्यान दीजिए, जब आप ए बोलते हो ना तो आपका मुंह पूरा खुल रहा है, वो बच्चों को पॉइंट आउट करना है. और जब आप ए बोलते हो तो ये पूरा खिंच रहा है. ए ए ए ए ए ए ए ए. Okay, so you while teaching this, you have to tell them how to open the mouth because they will only do the actions, then they will forget to take out the sound like this. That's why this way you have to teach them.
E, long E, 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 E. Evening, evening. E, E, E. Short I, short I. I, I,
E,
I.
E.
Insect, insect. I, I, I. Long I, long
For
I.
long stretch like this.
I. Ice cream, ice cream. I. Short O, up, up. Octopus, octopus, up. Long O, oak, oak, O. Short U, uh. Umbrella, umbrella, uh. Long U, U. Unicorn, U. Five vowels, A-E-I-O-U. Long and short, A-E-I-O-U.
Okay, so this is the way you have to teach to the kids. Okay, आपको इस तरीके से बच्चों को
Let's
सिखाना
learn
चाहिए.
vowels.
So
Short
short
and
vowels और long vowels जो है
26 letters.
तो अगर आपको बड़े बच्चों को सिखाना है, right? If you want to teach to the big kids or if you want to teach to teachers like how I am teaching, जैसे आप में से कई heads भी हैं, जैसे some are principals and some are the head of any organization or somebody. So how you can teach to the grown-ups, वो भी एक वीडियो में आपको शेयर कर रही हूँ. See, I'm sharing all from the platform of YouTube only, so you all can have an access. But at many a times while searching, we get n number of things. So whatever I am showing, if you can search over there, it is going to be a good note so that you don't have to waste time on all those things as well.
Letters in it. Of those 26 letters, there are 5 main vowels. A, I, O, and U. These vowels make a short sound and a long sound. Let's go through each vowel's 2 sounds. A's short sound is a, apple. A's long sound is just its same name. A.
It's not presented here. यहाँ दिख नहीं रहा. I'll be sharing the video onto the class WhatsApp group. So there you will have an access. It's getting freezed. So I hope long vowel and short vowel is clear to everybody. आप सभी को long vowel, short vowel अच्छे से clear हो गया है. I'll quickly recap it. Long vowel are the sounds which give their only names as the sound, and short vowel are the sounds where the sound is of the phonic sound we have just learned. A, E, I, O, U, when it is written singly, then it's a short vowel sound. But when AI, E, IE, OA, and UE is written, then the sound comes A, E, I, O, U, and those are long vowels, right? Long vowels are the sounds which give their name as the sound. Short vowels are the sound which give their sound, letter sounds as their sound. Okay. Short vowels are mostly used in CVC words, but long vowels are usually used with the sounds which are having some spelling rules. For some spelling rules, the long vowels are used, and for CVC words and to learn and understand general phonics, short vowel sounds are used. In many words, there are long vowel sounds, and in many words, there are short vowel sounds as well. So we will learn everything in deep. Don't worry, हम deep में सारी चीजें करेंगे. We'll understand each and every topic and each and every concept. Today we have understood long and short vowel. In our next class, we'll understand more about hard and soft sound and one rule which is called as magic E. This magic E rule is based on the long vowel and short vowel concept only. मैजिक ई रूल जो है लॉन्ग वॉवेल और शॉर्ट वॉवेल कॉन्सेप्ट पर ही बेस्ड है, और इसीलिए मैजिक ई रूल हम मंडे को करेंगे, एंड इफ टाइम परमिट्स वी विल बी कंप्लीटिंग हार्ड एंड सॉफ्ट साउंड इन ऑन मंडे इटसेल्फ। अदरवाइज विल डू इट ऑन ट्यूसडे। ट्यूसडे को हम हार्ड एंड सॉफ्ट साउंड करेंगे। Monday, the class will start at 6:30 because I have to take an extended class at Jaisalmer and Pathankot. I have to take an extended class. So that class may end up by 6:10 or 6:15. But taking a bio break because I'll be taking continue class. That's why I'll be taking your class at 6:30 on Monday. Okay. So thank you very much, all of you, for joining today as well, being Eid and being Teachers' Day. You all have spent time. I really am grateful that you all have joined, and wish you all again happy Teachers' Day. You all are teachers and you all are placed at an highest post. Then also you all have given time. It's a very good thing for me. And because we have to complete the curriculum and syllabus within 1 month, and without your cooperation this is not possible. Okay, any doubts for long vowel and short vowel to anybody? Do you want to ask anything? No? Okay, I hope everything
No,
is
ma'am.
clear. Yes, I hope
No,
everything is
ma'am.
clear. Yes.
If I could ask something,
Yes, sure.
actually, ma'am, sometimes we pronounce, previously we were pronouncing, but now I have heard
Your voice, is breaking. I could hear sometimes previously. Only these two words I could hear.
actually previously,
Previously,
but
wait.
now I
I'll
have
I'll
heard,
I'll mute myself. Please question.
actually, ma'am, previously we used to pronounce poem as poem, but now I have heard someone pronouncing it as poem.
Yes,
Is it
yes,
correct to
it is correct.
pronounce it
Yes,
poem?
it's correct. You have to say poem because O and
Yes.
E coming together, the sound will be O.
Okay, because of the walking rule, walking and
Yes,
talking rule.
yes.
Okay, ma'am. And I have another query. Today in the today's session, actually we pronounce vowel,
And I said
but
vowels.
yes, you are saying vowels.
Yes,
That is, I catch
vowels. Yeah,
thing. Is
vowels.
it also the
Actually,
walking and talking rule?
see, vowels, we have to say vowels. We are not saying vowels. Earlier, yes, when
Yes,
we were in our 90s, we used to say vowels,
yes.
but now it is pronounced as vowels. And why it's pronounced as vowels? Because the VOWEL, the rule is there. That rule we'll be understanding it later on, don't worry. But now we have to pronounce those as vowels and not as vowels. I'll be telling you all
Yes,
the
ma'am.
rule ahead.
Okay, okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Because if the suspense has been broken, then afterwards you will not get that type of thing into your mind.
No, I wrote the spelling just to know whether it is a walking talking rule in
No,
this
it's not
also, but
walking rule.
vowels.
It's
No,
it's
yes,
it's the rule belonging to alternative sounds.
yes, ma'am.
I'll
Okay, ma'am.
be teaching you all alternative sounds. Every vowel is having alternative sounds. हर एक vowel का alternative sound होता है. There are more than 3 alternative sound of every vowel being long and short. Letter A will have alternative sound. Letter E is having alternative sounds. Every vowel will have alternative sounds. In level 2, we are going to learn all these alternative sounds.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, welcome. I hope you all are enjoying this phonics class.
Yes,
Everybody?
we are learning a lot.
Yes, yes. And by the end of the session,
Yes,
literally, you will say that, yes, these are the things we never knew and nobody taught us.
yes, ma'am. In our 90s.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay. Bye bye, all of you. Do take care of yourselves. We'll meet now directly on Monday. Bye.